Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasip and I'm a technical architect in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Today in this session, we'll show you how we can create a microsite in Marketing Cloud for newsletter management and how we are going to proceed building the microsite with AMPscript using data extension functions like insert data, update data, and delete data. In our microsite, we'll be creating a home page for a subscriber to subscribe to our newsletter campaign, update his preferences for the newsletter campaign, or unsubscribe from the newsletter campaign. We'll build 4 or 5 different landing pages and we'll show you how we can perform all those activities via our microsite. So first thing first, we need to set up our data extension and we'll give the name for the data extension as newsletter subscriptions. Then the second step would be creating the landing page with the form where the subscriber would provide his or her details and submit the page. Once the subscriber submits the page, we need to do the handling of the data, and based on the action, we'll basically perform certain actions like insert data and then redirecting to the confirmation page, or updating the data with observed data and redirecting to the update confirmation page, or else we'll land that particular subscriber into a customized error page. And if the subscriber's action is unsubscribed, we are going to delete that particular data from that particular data extension. So we have all the page HTML pages that I have updated here. You can reuse all these pages for your learning. And we also have like the step number 5 is to send an email notification to the user based on their update to the subscription, but I'm not going to show you this today. Now, let us directly jump to Marketing Cloud and let's start with the demo. So this is my Salesforce Marketing Cloud instance. First thing first, what I'm going to do is create a data extension. So I'll go to the contact builder, then I'll go to my data extensions. We'll create a data extension called newsletter subscription with all these attributes. Next, we'll go to cloud pages. In the cloud pages, we'll go and create one collection called Microsites. And here, I would create one microsite and give a name as newsletter management and click on save. Once this collection is created, I'll add pages like say newsletter subscriptions and click next. I would open this particular cloud page. Delete everything, whatever is pre-populated. I'll clean this everything. And from my blog, I'm going to copy the HTML. So this is my cloud page for the newsletter subscription, which has the form. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here. So this is my form where I have the email address, full name, subscriber type, and the action. and I'll click on save. Likewise, I'm going to create another page and call it as subscription confirmation. Click next and open this particular page. Delete everything. Let's go back to my blog. I'll come to this handling of this form submission, but let's first create this confirmation page. I'll copy this HTML and paste it here and click on save. Similarly, I would also create another cloud page and say like update subscription. Click next, click save, and copy this code. Open this page and delete everything and paste it. So this is my subscription update page. Now our next is the unsubscription page. I'm going to create another page and say unsubscribe page. Say unsubscription confirmation. And click next, click save. And let's copy this HTML for unsubscription. Delete everything and paste the code, and this is my unsubscribe page confirmation. Now we have one more page called error page. Click next, save. Now we'll copy this code and delete this and paste it here and click save. Now our pages are all configured. What we are supposed to do was to handle the form submission through AMPscript functions. So let me copy this code and open my VS Code and paste it here. Few things I need to change. One is the subscription confirmation URL. So let's do one thing. Let's publish this, select all the pages and click on schedule and publish and submit the publish. So all the pages are now published. So let's go to the subscription confirmation, copy the URL and update this particular line number 17. Similarly, we need to go to our error page, copy the URL and change the URL. Likewise, I'm going to update all my error URL pages. Okay. Then similarly, I'll do the update subscription URL. So this is the update. This is the update one. This is the update URL. Okay. And I have, sorry, this is not the one. This is the update URL. This is the error page. This is the update URL. And the final one is the unsubscribe. So copy this. And line number 41. Update this URL. So our AMPscript block is also configured. Let's copy this AMPscript block. Let's duplicate this tab and navigate to Content Builder. Here, under the AMPscript content block, I'm going to create a content block HTML type and paste this code here and give a name as newsletter management. I'm going to copy the same to the customer key and click on save. Now, once this particular code snippet is configured, we'll go back to our newsletter subscription page. And at line number 70, I have a content block by key AMPscript function. I'm going to update the key value, which is the newsletter management content block that I have just created, and click on save. Now, everything is configured for me. What I'm going to do is schedule and publish. So everything is selected. Click on publish. So my code are all published. I have the data extension where there are no records at all. I have the code snippet and I have the cloud pages. So let's click on the publish URL. Let's give an email address. Let's provide the full name. Select monthly newsletter and subscribe. Now let's click on submit. Once I click on submit, I'm redirected to the subscription successful page. Here I could have also sent them an email with a confirmation. Let's go to the data extension and refresh this, and you'll see a new record has been created. Let's go back. Let's update this to John Williams. This is a weekly newsletter. Let's change the email address to John Williams at example.com and click on submit. Let's go and refresh this data extension again, and you'll see John Williams is added to this particular data extension. Now, let's go and let's update from weekly newsletter. You see here, he has subscribed to weekly newsletter. What I want to do is update to monthly newsletter and say update subscription. So John Williams is being. So I'm going to update this particular record. Click on submit. And now it goes to subscription update page. Let's go and refresh this, and this basically is a monthly subscription. Fine. Now, if John Williams wants to unsubscribe, I'm going to select just unsubscribe and click on submit. So you receive a message saying you have been unsubscribed. Let's go to the data extension. In this case, I'm not updating anything. The status to inactive, but I'm basically using delete function. So this will basically delete this particular record. You can simply update the status if you want. And last but not the least, what I can do is, let's say, Joe D. And let's say first I'll create one record with Jody and say subscribe. So Jody record will be created here. And let's say Jody wants to update to weekly newsletter. So let's say Jody wants to update to weekly newsletter, but here instead of update subscription, the action he's calling is subscribe. And if he clicks submit, then it goes to an error page. You can definitely handle it much better way to update a subscription. You can have like checkboxes and other drop downs, whatever you want. This is just for demo purpose. So, and we simply used data extension function like insert data, update data, and delete data. We have other functions as well, like lookup rows, redirect, and other as well. But we were only focusing on discussing how to create a microsite and how to use different data extension functions using AMPscript. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you have any queries or clarifications or any value suggestions, please put it in the video comment section. I'll definitely look into all the comments and I'll try to create similar kind of use cases for the future. Thank you all. See you in the next video again.